In this very clip, we want to trade the US non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. We will be watching the event. It's coming out at 2:30 p.m. and in about 8 minutes the figures will be out. But very quickly, let's do a very quick preview of the NFP. The forecast for this day is 152,000, while the previous is 120. Now, there's something about this forecast. You know, the holidays are just over, and during the Christmas holidays, there are probably some jobs that were created to fill up the gaps created by the Christmas holiday. Some may have gone on holiday making, and of course employers had to still fulfill Christmas and New Year orders. Hence, they may have employed some hands on a part-time basis or just a short-term employment. So this can actually raise the employment change. And if you flash back and check on Thursday, the ADP non-farm employment change came out very positive, so showing that in the non-farm sector, more jobs, up to 325,000 jobs were created in that sector. And that's also a pointer to what we should be expecting today on the non-farm employment change. Now, while the forecast is having a positive outlook, and from the investor's perspective, this is just a short-term change, so we may not take it so seriously. Then the unemployment rate figures, the forecast there is 8.7%. All right, so if what we have here is anything to go by, unemployment rate still remains below 9%. It may be a positive outlook for the US dollar. There are two ways. You see, it could still go on directional or non-directional bias. Some want to straddle this, but I don't recommend that. I will recommend trading this on the retracement. In other words, we will find out what the actual numbers are, then compare the two. Don't worry about the initial spike. After the initial spike, we'll then find entry at the key levels. Let us go to the refresh button. Today is Friday, so that we can bring out the refresh button, and then we are going to be trading the USD card. USD card will be very good for the US if the numbers are positive, actually, because the figures from Canada by 1 p.m. were really bad. The fundamentals from Canada were not good at all for the Canadian dollar. So you could focus on this, but then I am going to be eyeing this USD card, USD CHF, and of course the Euro USD. Well, it's all positive for the past. It goes up now. It's positive for the US dollar. This is it. Everything is positive for US dollar. So we'll be selling the US dollar. Go to US, selling the Euro USD while we'll be buying this. So we'll just find a good entry point now for this. Yeah, this is one is a good one. Buy. We are buying this and leaving it, and we're going to buy. Oh my God! Yes, we're buying USD card also. All right. Okay, now I'm going to be where is Euro USD? I'm going to be buying the Euro USD also, selling Euro USD rather, and GBP USD I'll be selling them too. It's not allowing me to find a good entry on that one. I'll wait to enter that one on retracement. I'll wait to enter that on retracement while I trail my stop on this 15 points. I'll trade this on 15 points. Yeah, I'll still look for a good entry point on Euro and GBP USD. All of this will make a good sell. Let it just do some upward swing, and I am going to enter. You can see here I am not using stop loss on this, and it's for a purpose, because to avoid the whipsaw, because the events are just too good for the US dollar. I am looking for an entry point on this. I'm looking for a good entry point on this. I want it to pull back before I can sell. I'll be selling this. I'll be selling. Of course, I should even be buying USJPY also, but unfortunately I didn't even pay attention to that one. Wow, it's up already. And then let's see if you can still find a good entry on Euro USD. I don't mind filling in as many. AUD USD should also be selling. AUD should be selling also. Let me find the levels here for AUD USD. This one is good for selling as well. But then let me leave that and see if I can find an entry still on Euro USD. That one has not really given me a chance to get in. Well, if we don't get in on that, we can ride with that on the two we have entered. USD card. Oh, come on! I entered on two pairs at the same time. That's a USD card. USD card. Okay, this has got to break-even point. Let's not allow the market to run and deliver on its own, because TP. Okay, we didn't put take profit on this, so let me take my take profits. I think 220 is okay. 220 will be okay here. 220 will be okay. 220 will be okay, and here 220 will also be okay. 1, okay. And even with what we have here now, I can let's leave it to run now, because at this juncture we have nothing to lose again. We have exactly nothing to lose again. This has secured 7 pips and this has secured 9 pips. Let's leave it to run to a close on its own. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to lose. We have erased our risks on those two trades. Well, that's how we've traded the non-farm payroll for January 2012. We missed out the opportunity on Euro USD. We couldn't get in on Euro USD. We couldn't get in on GBP USD. We couldn't get in on AUD USD either. Well, at least we were able to pick 2 trades from the same currency pair, USD card. I'm sure you have enjoyed yourself. Alright, this is how we have traded the non-farm payroll for January 2011, and this is not a one cap fits all. Alright, there will always be varying strategies for trading news events, and I encourage you to keep on learning, keep on improving, keep on learning and improving, and I believe in a matter of time you will win, as we all continue to win. I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.